Hello everyone. I'm sure that by now you must have gone through this announcement numerous times. But there are many students who are calling me or they are texting me because this announcement is incomplete. There are so many questions which are still unanswered. So I would just like to highlight one very small sentence over here. The syllabus, the transition scheme, and the frequently asked questions, they will be hosted by ICAI on 1st of July 2023. So please be patient and wait for the official announcement. I'm sure you are trying to decipher whether your attempt will be covered or not under the new scheme and how you should plan your exam. I'm sure you must be very anxious, but please be patient and wait for the official announcement on 1st of July. But let us try and decode the announcement of ICI. Let us try to find answers to our questions. So what I have done over here is I have decoded the scheme on the basis of the doubts that I have received from students. If you're watching my video for the first time, I am CA Preeti Agarwal and I make videos specially for you. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications for all the updates on the new scheme. So guys, let's try to decode the announcement which was made yesterday. Okay, I'm very sure that after the end of this video you will be in a very comfortable position and most of your questions will be answered. Now what I have done over here is that I have divided the entire announcement into small parts, considering that you may be a CA foundation student attempting in the June attempt or December attempt. You may be a CA inter student who is planning to register. So these are various doubts which I got to know from various students. I've tried to address all of these doubts in today's session. So let's get started. Let's consider that you are a CA foundation student and you will be appearing in the June 2023 exam, which is going on right now. And if you pass, very good, congratulations. You will be eligible to register for the CA inter attempt to be held in May 2024. And of course, the new scheme will apply to you. So if you are a CA foundation student and you are already appearing for the June 23 attempt, you will register for the May 24 attempt in the new scheme, and your registration starts on 1st July 2023. That is very soon. Your results are not even out, but that is the date which is given by ICI in the announcement. So registrations for May 24 CA inter attempt commence on 1st July 2023. But yes, I agree, the students who are appearing for June 23 attempt will not be in a position to decide whether they would want to register or not unless their results are announced. But I think this process will continue even after that. Okay. If you unfortunately are not able to clear the examination, then your second attempt will be in December 23. And December 23, your existing scheme will continue to apply because the new scheme will apply from May 24. So unfortunately, if you don't pass your CA foundation attempt, your next attempt will be in December 2023 and the existing scheme will apply. So I hope that this particular table solves all the query of the existing CA foundation students. What if you are a CA foundation student and your attempt is in December 2023? Okay, your attempt is in December 23, and if you pass, your attempt for CA inter will be in November 24 and new scheme will apply. Okay, so there is absolutely no confusion over here. The new scheme will apply. If you are a CA foundation student giving your exam in December 23 and unfortunately you are not able to clear, then your second attempt will fall in May 2024. Now there is slight confusion over here whether you can continue to give your exam in the existing scheme or automatically you need to convert into a new scheme. That clarification will be given by ICI on 1st of July 23, because they have already mentioned in their announcement that the transition scheme will be notified very soon. So don't worry and don't think about failure. Okay, so if your attempt is in December 23 and unfortunately you don't clear, then your second attempt will be in May 24. You may be either allowed to continue under the existing scheme or you may have to convert into a new scheme. We'll have to wait for the official announcement. So as per currently what we all can understand from the announcement is that as per the new announcement, you will be covered under the new scheme because the last attempt is in December 23. But again, I would always advise you to wait for the transition FAQs, which will be released very soon on 1st of July. Okay, so as per the announcement, you will have to register on the new scheme, but I still feel that we should wait for the official announcement. Now, if you are a 12th standard student, okay, you have registered, you're thinking of registering for the May 24 and you are currently in 12th standard. Okay, so if you are currently in 12th standard and your 12th standard exam is in March 2024, your CA foundation first attempt will be in May 24. Of course, you will be covered under the new scheme, so there is no confusion over here. So if your attempt is in May 24, you will be covered under the new scheme, and registrations for that start on 2nd August 2023. Okay, so from 2nd August, you can register and the new scheme will apply. If you are a CA inter student, most of the students, they sent their doubts on WhatsApp, and they were all CA inter student because there is major confusion as there are two groups. So you are appearing for just one group in November 23, or maybe you're doubtful whether you will clear in November 23. So there is a lot of confusion as far as the CA inter students are concerned, but I hope that I will be able to solve your queries. Now, if you are a CA inter student and your attempt is in November 2023, you may be appearing for either both groups or just one group. Okay, so see, for example, you're appearing for both the groups in November 23. And in case you clear your both the groups in November 23, very good, excellent, congratulations. You can register for final and automatically the new scheme will apply. In case you don't clear, okay, you are not able to clear, then your attempt will be pushed to May 2024. Again, there is slight confusion as per the announcement. You will have to register under the new scheme, but I doubt that will happen. See, I don't think ICI will want you to study now under the existing scheme and then immediately within 6 months they will want you to study under the new scheme. I don't think that will be the case. So it is possible that in the transition for May 24, you may be allowed to give your exam under the existing scheme. But yes, again, I would request you to wait for the official announcement. If you are appearing for just one group in November 23, wait for the FAQs because you may appear for one group in November 23 and it is possible that you may have to register under the new scheme that is as per the announcement. But again, we would want you to wait for the official announcement. Okay. Now, if you are planning to give your CA inter exam in May 2024, okay, if your attempt is that's your first attempt in May 24, then automatically the new scheme will apply and the registrations for the new scheme start on 1st July 2023. So in this particular chart, I have tried to incorporate the registration dates also. These are few points which I would like to highlight because they are mentioned in the announcement. The duration of articleship, yes, it is now reduced to 2 years and it is confirmed through the announcement. One very interesting, and I feel this is a very positive move by ICAI. The CA final exam, you can appear for that after your articleship. You can appear 6 months after your articleship is complete. So this is, I think, a very good move by ICAI. This is something which they have thought very clearly, that it is very difficult for the student to prepare while they are working. See, now when you are occupied for 2 years during articleship, yes, we agree it is very difficult to attend classes, study. So after you complete your 2 years of articleship, you can take 6 months of study leave. Okay, so after you complete your 2 years of articleship, you need to complete your IT course, etc., and then you can take 6 months. Yes, you're not working, you're not earning, I agree, but at least you are getting sufficient time to study and prepare for CA final. So this will increase your chance of clearing the exam. So in the CA final exam will fall 6 months after you complete your articleship. But yes, to qualify for the CA final exam, you need to complete and qualify the self-paced online module. Okay, you will have to qualify that. Plus, you will also have to complete your articleship. Now they call it as practical training. You will also have to complete your advanced IT course. So after you complete all this, only then you will be eligible to appear for your CA final examination. So this needs to be complete before your CA final. So you have to complete the self-paced module, you have to complete your practical training, you have to complete your IT course, and only after that you will be allowed to appear for your CE final, which is, yes, 6 months after you complete your articleship. So you have a good time for preparation. So students, yes, I agree that even now we have many questions which are unanswered, but at least we know that we are expected to wait. Okay, so I hope that confusion of yours was removed, that yes, you need to wait, and please don't let that affect your studies. Don't waste your time in going through many material or videos that are available and try to find answers. Wait for 1st July, all your questions will be answered. Okay, so I don't think there will be any confusion after that, so please wait patiently. We have classes for CA Foundation as well as CA Inter. You can visit my website capreetyagarwal.com, and we will also come up with new lectures for the new syllabus for May 24 onwards. So do visit my website, and I have a blog wherein we have stepwise, okay, stepwise registration process, or stepwise the steps that you need to complete in order to qualify under the foundation scheme or the direct entry scheme. So links are, I'm leaving those links in the description box. Do read those blogs, and they will give you a stepwise guide on how to register and when you will complete your CA, that is when you will become a chartered accountant. So it is a stepwise guide. Do visit my website capreetyagarwal.com and go through those blogs. I hope, students, that you are preparing well for your examination. Don't let all these things distract you. In case you have any query, my number is given on my website. You can contact me on that number. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications for all the upcoming updates on the new scheme.